3 years without a word. Simone, Adam Jones, one hoped you were dead. Simone, when I lie awake at night and list my regrets, you're one of them. I say to myself, you're a lesbian. Why did you sleep with Adam Jones? Rhys, so, not dead, Adam Jones, apparently not Rhys. I mean, dead these days could mean barbecuing chicken wings on morning television. Adam Jones, I'll never be that dead. Mitchell, when I was your sous chef at Jean Luc's, we were like brothers, so when I left, it was only natural that you were hurt, so you took your revenge. In French, you called the health inspector after releasing rats into my new restaurant. Conti, 3 years without a word. What do you want? Adam Jones, I want to make my kitchen the best in the world. You have a spare bedroom.
Adam Jones resumes, great, this lamb's fantastic. Would you work for me, David? Heck yeah. Adam Jones, would you work for me for nothing, David? Yeah. Absolutely. Adam Jones, you have a spare bedroom. Sarah, he scares me, David. He's a 2-star Michelin chef. He's supposed to be scary. Sarah, but 2 doesn't seem like many. David, to get even 1 Michelin star, you have to be like Luke Skywalker. But if you manage to get 3, you're Yoda. Sarah, what if he's Darth Vader?
Cooking is an expression of who we are.
Adam Jones, cooking is an expression of what? Tell me. Helene, at its best, of sustaining someone with love. Adam Jones. Adam Jones at Langham is now one of the most interesting places to eat. Helene, what part of that don't you like? One of or interesting. Adam Jones, I don't want my restaurant to be a place where you come and eat. We should be dealing in culinary orgasms. When's the last time you had an orgasm that was interesting, Helene? Remind me never, ever to discuss food with you in public. Adam Jones, people eat because they are hungry. I want to make food that makes people stop eating. Helene, you're being stupid. Adam Jones, cooking is an expression of who we are, and right now we're 2 stars, both of us. It's a 2-star review. Now we can keep on cooking and be interesting, but I want people to sit at that table and be sick with longing, and I need you to do it with me.
The only place I've ever felt like I belonged.
Adam Jones, the kitchen's the only place I've ever felt like I belong. I loved every minute of it, the heat, the pressure, the violence.
I didn't know.
Adam Jones, when I was 16, I quit school and saved just enough money for a one-way ticket to Paris. Maybe I just wanted it really bad then when I got it too early. I didn't know how to hold on to it.
The whole thing falls apart.
Adam Jones, Mitchell will be my sous chef. Tony, in French, Mitchell is in Paris. Adam Jones, Max is in. Tony, Max is in jail. Adam Jones, he's out in 2 days. Also, I found a chef de partie who doesn't know how good she is. Tony, she right there, the whole thing falls apart because in 3 days you will dump her, and then she leaves with screams and tears.
Pretend you're my girlfriend.
Adam Jones, do you have a nice dress? I gotta go to this party, and you are the only girl that I know. Adam Jones, pretend you're my girlfriend. Helene, if I was your girlfriend, you'd probably hold my arm. Adam Jones, no, if you were my girlfriend,
We would have got into an argument in the taxi. We wouldn't even be talking.
You can't do this alone.
Roskilde, you can't do this alone. There's strength in needing others, not weakness. Adam Jones, should I be writing this down cause I don't have a crayon?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.